Long ago in the universe, when things were not images, Narloka and Asuralokari were a world of their own, Chandrakolo. This men's light spread throughout the universe, and the source of the light was Chandramana, a miraculous gem whose power is to balance time, life, fate, everything. Chandramani's protector was Deva, Arin. Calm, righteous, but his power is to be feared by both gods and demons. Kruhas, the Dark Emperor. On a full moon night, the moonlight became strangely silent. Aaron was standing on the moon temple. In front of him is the eternal sky, the light of countless stars. But tonight is different. The wind has stopped. The birds are silent. Suddenly, the sky burst and rained fireballs. The moon's light is getting weaker. This is a sign of dire danger. His guru, Devarishi beyond, came and said, Aaron, the light of Chandramani is getting weaker. Kruhas is freed from the chains of hell. Time is short. Aaron's face trembled. Master, I'm ready.
What must be done now? Said Bayan. This journey is not only of strength but also of mental test. 5 levels of fear, greed, anger, sorrow, and pride will decide whether you can save Chandramani.
After crossing the southern pass of Chandralok, Aaron came to the dark valley. Seeing the place, he shivered. Sun or moonlight does not enter here. Strange shadow movement on the ground. A feeling that someone is following him all the time. Suddenly, the distorted form of his own shadow stood in front of him.
I fear you, said the shadow. You will fail. Your power will put you in danger. Aaron closed his eyes. I do not fear what is not true. When Aaron opened his eyes and threw his spear, the shadow of fear crumbled into dust. Aaron next reached the golden desert. Hidden in the sand are God-mind transforming powers. A huge golden city rose in the middle of the desert, a throne in the center of the city. On that throne is Aaron's future form, a king, the god of billions of subjects. The form said, Aaron, if you leave Chandramani and accept me, you will be the lord of 3 people. Power, honor, eternal life, all will be obtained. For a moment, Aaron was weak, but I remembered Guru Bayan's words that greed never leads to truth. As soon as Aaron touched the throne, the city shattered like a mirage. Then Aaron entered the cave of anger. Molten lava all around, the smoke, a muffled growl. Deep in the cave stands a form. His father, the god warrior Ritam, who died years ago in the Asura war. But this form is angry. Fire in the eyes, spear in the hand. Aaron, you could not save me. Because of you, my death. You failed, child. Aaron's body burned. His eyes are red with anger. But suddenly he dropped the spear, knelt down, and said, If you are really my father, then know that I love you. I have no anger towards you, only pride. Maya broke. The cave became quiet. Aaron now reaches the lake of sorrow. The lake is so clear that even the feelings hidden in one's mind can be seen. Aaron's past childhood friend, Leah, came up in the water, whom he could not save from a demon attack. Leah smiled and said, You forgot me, Aaron. You couldn't save me, Leah cried. I haven't forgotten you, Leah. My grief gave me strength.
Your memory is what keeps me alive today. Suddenly, Leia's form disappeared in the light line. The last level, the hardest, Agni Tower. In this tower stood another Arin in front of Arin, but stronger, more radiant, more invincible. He said, "You are my shadow. I am Satya Arin, the mighty warrior of the world. The gods chose you wrong. Why not me? I accept you as my part. You are my pride, but I am not your slave." The two Asidans' bodies burn together. The light spreads, and the tower disappears. Areen now reached the innermost part of the Chandra Mandir. There the moonstone was shining, and right in front stood the dark Emperor Kruhas. Disfigured face, red eyes, body burning with black fire.
Kruhas grinned with his teeth. "You think you can stop me? I am dark as the light grows strength." Aaron raised his spear and said, "As long as this gem is there, the light will never go out." Kruhas attacked the storm. The moon temple began to shake. Dust and stones fell.
The fight between the two became a great war. Arin once tired, body bloody. Kruhas held him and said, "Your last time has come." Arin suddenly remembered the 5 levels of education.
He looked at the moon gem and offered his energy to the gem's light. Instantly, the moon's light exploded. The light destroyed Kruhas. Aaron fell to the ground, slowly regained consciousness. Chandralok was filled with light again.
Devrishi Bayan came and said, "Aaron, you have not only conquered Chandramani but also yourself. One becomes a true guardian only after conquering the 5 levels. Now you are the Lord of Chandralok."
"I am not a master, but a protector. Light never belongs to anyone. It belongs to everyone. The moon is full in the sky. A new age has begun. Arin, the last keeper of Chandraloka, is now the Pratham Alok keeper of the cosmos."